Moi moi! We are here in Finland in the lakes area, and we are enjoying a beautiful sunny day, and we're out on the lake. Look at that, and rowing around in a rowboat. So this is good fun, and let's go on an adventure. Okay.
Should I hold it?
Yeah, you can hold it. And give Sato the camera. There you go. And Brett. We're out here in the middle of the lake. And, let's see if we can catch any fish. Here in the middle, maybe we catch something big. Let's see. Big fish in here. I'll try and not fall over.
Oops.
I might be able to use one of these things as a bit of a rod holder. So we don't lose the rod. Maybe a big fish will pull it out. This is the line. It's good fun, huh?
Mm.
And hold that rod.
Right.
Look at that. Look how fresh that water is. Awesome. It's pretty warm here for a summer. Finland's normally a very cold climate country, as you know, but look at this. We are in amazing summer here. You'll be right there. Let's go for a row.
Such a perfect summer day.
Yeah, absolutely.
There's no wind.
No wind at all.
Mm.
I hope Sato catches a big pike. I'm warm enough that I need to take off my shirt and get some sun.
What do they have there?
They're swimming.
Is it a boat?
Oh, must be a boat.
Yeah, they're jumping from the bridge.
I'll show you. Looks like they have a boat over there. So nice out here, huh? Just amazing. Okay, now Sato having a row, and I've got the fishing rod. We're doing pretty well. Going good. We're rowing straight and we're moving. Yeah, such a nice day out here. Check it out, beautiful. My rod here. I don't mind having a fish every now and then. It's just gorgeous. Keep going.
Sorry, I was just okay.
Let's just have a row around today. Try and catch ourselves a big, I call them a pike, northern pike. We'll just let it go if we catch one, just for being out on the water. We don't hurt the fishies, we let them go, don't worry. Okay, we've been rowing out here for a while, and just out here in the middle of the lake, and now we're going to head back. And I think we've had a little bit too much sun for one day, and we're pretty far from our cabin, but that's okay. It's a little hard to row and film at the same time. I'll do my best for you. I could do some on that side. I'll go to this side. It's going to be like caterpillaring along. Yeah, beautiful day out. Might jump in for a swim when we get back and have a cold drink and enjoy this amazing lake here. Look at that. Gorgeous. Awesome. Thanks for coming along for a row with us.